Hey guys, this is Kyle with BISH'S RV over in Junction City, Oregon. Today I'm going to show you a 2022 East to West Della Terra 312BH. We got another bunkhouse on our hands. This one's a really good one at a really nice price point as well. So come and take a look at this one, guys. Oh, and if you find this video informative or beneficial to you, please feel free to like and subscribe right now. Okay, let's check this out right here. We got our pass-through storage. That one's always a good size storage we got going on here. You also got your power stabilizer jack. So with the push of this button, it's super easy to get your jacks down and really stable. You also got two different entrances here. And as you can see, it is a corrugated metal sided coach here, okay? Which has got a lot of great benefits to it. You can replace it if you need to fairly easily or whenever at your own convenience. Whereas fiberglass, you gotta really go and get that stuff done as soon as possible, because if it cracks, you gotta really adjust that. So this is really nice for the corrugated metal. Like I said, at a good price point. You got two different entrances on this coach. One leads to the bedroom and then one into the living space. You also got your awning here. It's electric, of course. And then you also have the LED lights on the outside here. You also have the Furrion speakers, so if you wanted to jam out outside, you totally can. It's also got this 110 plug-in right here on the outside, and as well as a satellite, or a place for satellite. You got your solid steps here as well, but let's go to the back to take a look at this outside kitchen. Okay, you got this propane grill right here, kind of like a hibachi grill, which is nice. They did do a little metal construction right here for the grill, so easy to push in and out. And they also gave you a lot more space just in case you wanted to put anything else in here. So you have your fridge, but you can put anything else that you want right here in this outside kitchen. And if you wanted to hook up another grill, a propane grill, there's an LP quick connect just right here on the bottom. You can connect it that way and put your own grill on the side here. All right, let's go on into the coach now. Before you come on in here, let's just look immediately what we're looking at here. We got this closet. It's an open closet. There's no door. This trim right here is a little, we're gonna fix that, but it's a little bit messed up right there. That's okay. We always fix that when we do our pre-delivery inspection type thing. So anything you see that's wrong in the coach, we will fix. And then come on in here. You also have a closet right here. So come on in, Gary, and check this other closet out. Probably the only coach that I've seen have two different closets just as soon as you walk in, which is really convenient and nice. You got the sliding door here. Let's go and take a look at the bunkhouse room. It's got a separate room here, so come on in. So you do have this bunk bed on the top right here. You have that bunk right here, and as well as this one. And then as you saw, as I just put it down, it does have the springs on the side, so you know, anyone could really push this up. And for the kids or the other adults that are going to be on here, you can totally do that. This is a couch as well as another sleeping space. So 1, 2, 3, 4. You can fit 4 comfortably right here in this bunk separate room, which is really nice. There's also a lot of chances for storage here. So if you see right there, 4 different drawers on the bottom. And then come on back here. There's also 110 plugins right here, as well as some USB ports in each of the sleeping areas. So this one, top here, and then there's even a TV backer location right here. It's got windows in each one of them, so it's a really good separate room here. And the slide out right here gives it a lot more room, so it's really, really spacious, and you gotta love this. Take a look in this living space here. We got the light interior. East to West is really known for this color palette, okay? So if this rocks your boat and you really like the light colors, this is the brand for you for sure. You have this couch right here, and they did it right. It's right across from the TV and the fireplace, so while you're chilling and hanging out, you can enjoy without cranking your neck left or right. All right? And then you got the radio there, as well as the fireplace, like I said. You also have some places for decoration here, so you can put a bunch of plants up there right here as well, and you can use it for storage if you want too. You can see it does have the AC right up here as well. And then you got your dinette right here, which is really nice. These both do convert into other sleeping spaces, so that's 4 plus 2, maybe 3 more people. Yeah, this is one to sleep a lot of people, okay? So really nice dinette. And let's see here. Yep, they have pull-out drawers as well on the bottom. Look at that. Long storage is gold, right? So there's a bunch of things you can put in there, and you don't have to reach on in there, take this out and this and that. You can actually just pull out the drawer really easy. You also have this refrigerator. It's the 8 cubic refrigerator. Really nice size, so you can go grocery shopping for a little bit longer trips. And you got more of your kitchen essentials here. You got your 3-burner stove cooktop. You also got your oven there, which is really, really awesome. You also have the microwave on the top here. Okay. Plenty of spaces for more storage here. Like I said, these drawers are pretty long, so you can really store a lot of different things in here. You also have another place for storage, or if you want to put your garbage can right there, you can probably fit one. Actually, yeah, that's probably a good space for the full-size garbage can there. Got some stuff on the top as well for storage, and this does come with the wine guard, which essentially is a Wi-Fi extender. So if you're at a campsite and you're a little bit farther away and you can reach the Wi-Fi, you can actually extend that from that Wi-Fi hotspot to your coach, which is really, really awesome. Got the stainless steel appliances right here, as well as the removable nozzle for the sink. It's a little bit more industrial looking, and I like that. And they also got the window right where you're doing dishes and cooking. You can still look outside and see the kids playing, which is really cool. This model is a little bit more unique too, because it's got the bathroom in the middle. So come and check this out. So for me, I'm a bigger guy. So being able to fit in a shower is really important. This one, really, really nice. I don't feel crowded. You still have the skylight right here to kind of give you more space for the taller folks. And then it's got the removable nozzle here as well. So you can totally fit in here. It's really nice. You also got that toilet right there. And then checking out this right here, we got our countertop as well as our sink. And we got some places, medicine cabinet here. So if you want to put toothpaste or any other things like that. More chances for storage here on the bottom. So it's a really, really nice unit. Okay, come on into the bedroom here. So you got your bathroom, and then you go straight into the bedroom here, okay? This one is a king-size mattress, so the oversized mattress. So a lot of people, they like to just really replace the mattress. You can totally do that, but this is measured for the king-size mattress that you got. You obviously got your wardrobe closets on both sides, which is really convenient and nice. Then you also have a pull-out drawer here, which is really cool. And then let's see here. There's even a spot where you can put things just right over here, which is a really nice little nightstand. Really, really cool. And then you do have, if you see on this side, we got the USB ports as well as the 110 outlet there. And then it does have that door that comes into the bedroom. So if you just want to come in and take a quick nap, you can do that. Not having to come through the living space is really nice, right? So guys, if you have any questions whatsoever about this unit, I'd love to help you out. My name is Kyle. Give me a call at 541-799-8794. Like and subscribe if you found this informative or beneficial to you. Happy camping. We'll see you later.